While it's easy to take electricity for granted, electricity safety is something we all need to understand. If you're transporting high loads, there are important things you need to remember. Road regulations limit how high your vehicle can be when fully loaded and extended, and you must maintain a minimum clearance distance between your vehicle's load and power lines. Visit the High Loads page on your local electricity network provider's website to determine the safe clearance distances for various power line voltages. So, how high is your load? If the vehicle height exceeds 4.3 metres but is less than 4.6 metres and your travel path is not a designated high vehicle route, you should contact the local electricity network provider to verify power line heights and safe clearance distances. Ensure that all equipment is fully lowered and all loose materials are secured. Plan safe travel paths that allow you to maintain the required clearances, and contact site managers or property owners for information on the approved safe travel paths for their sites. Keep to these paths and make sure you visually check all power lines if you must pass beneath them. Safe travel paths are best kept well away from power lines, so consider relocating drop-off points that are near power lines. If this isn't possible, clearances must be managed by reducing your load and using a competent observer to guide vehicle movements. Alternatively, contact the local electricity network provider to arrange a power outage for the transit. While in transit, never stop a high load directly under power lines, and be mindful of varying surfaces which may change clearances between your vehicle and power lines. Don't allow people to climb on the load, and make sure they stay 8 metres clear of the vehicle if it must pass beneath power lines. If contact occurs, there's a good chance your vehicle is alive with electricity. Stay inside the cabin and call the local electricity network provider who can switch the power off.
We have an electrical emergency, there's a line across one shack.
If you must exit the vehicle because of fire, jump completely clear and land with your feet together. Don't make simultaneous contact with the vehicle and the ground. Jump completely clear and land with your feet together. Shuffle away for at least 8 metres to avoid electric shock. For more information, contact the local electricity network provider.